So, ngayon, we'll start a new lesson. We're gonna make a dancing paper craft. Tingnan nyo. Okay, ang kailangan lang natin today are paper, pencils, and scissors. Okay, so for this activity, kailangan natin ng square paper. Tingnan nyo, para ipakita ko to show you the concept. So, we're gonna do some origami. So, ori means to fold, gami is Japanese means paper. So, it's kami, pero na-modify lang. Origami. Kaya, fold paper. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng origami. Okay, so ready na. So, tingnan nyo ang gagamitin natin ngayon ay square paper. We're gonna use a square paper. Do you know how to make a square paper? What if ganito lang yung papel ko? Yung the usual long or A4 size. Paano tayo gagawa ng perfect square? Alam niyo ba kung paano? Tatansyahin lang ba natin? So, paano gumawa ng square? Paano magsukat ng square paper? Okay, yun na yung square. Okay, so yung square, if you divide it diagonally, pag hinati nyo sa dalawa, anong shape to? Bayan, square. Pag tinupi nyo sa dalawa, magiging, what shape is this? It's a triangle, di ba? So, a square has two triangles, kagaya nito. So, yun yung gagawin natin dito sa ating rectangle or A4 paper. Kung meron na kayong square, you don't need to do this. But usually, rectangle kasi yung available na paper natin. So, gagawa tayo ng triangle. So, fold from here. Fold the tip. 2 fingers. Tapos, dito. Kailangan mag-meet siya. So, paano nyo isasakto? Huwag nyo muna didiinan. Don't press it first. I-glide nyo lang muna ng ganon hanggang mag-align. Tingnan nyo Ayan, Kailangan pantay. Oops. Hindi ganyan. Hindi ganito. Dapat sakto. Yan. Pwede nyo ilagay yung index finger nyo dito para magpantay. Tapos, bago nyo i-press, check first if the 2 points are aligned. Check nyo muna kung pantay dito. Tingnan nyo Pantay, pantay, pantay ba? Pantay ba? Yan. Pag pantay na, hold nyo. And then, tingnan nyo dito. If aligned. Press, 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 press. Ayan. Pantay na, di ba? Then, put it sa table. Then, you hold it. Tingnan nyo. Hold. Then, pull with your thumb. Tingnan nyo. Sabay. Kailangan ito naka-steady para pantay. Okay, pag aligned na, check nyo dito, aligned. Yung kabila rin, pantay na. Then, pull. Dahan-dahan. Tapos, once na na-mark nyo na, pwede nyo nang i-pull ulit dito para makagrade ng fold. Sometimes, tingnan nyo, hindi nakatupi na maigi. Sometimes, the fold is not properly folded. So, you can use your nail, yung kuko nyo, ididiin nyo siyang ganon. Yan. Or yung finger nyo lang, para malinis yung fold. Now, meron na tayong yan. Triangle, kagaya nito, di ba? Okay. Ngayon, we will cut this in half. Dito, kailangan makuha natin dito. Kuha natin to. So, you can use a pencil to guide you or pwede rin namang diretsuhin nyo na ng gunting but better if i-pencil nyo kasi minsan when you cut a fold like this, sometimes nadi-distort, naiiba yung alignment. So, better if you put a pencil mark here, then you cut. Okay, and remember, be careful when using scissors. And when you're cutting, kailangan you have to hold the paper properly. Now, we have a square. Yay, meron na tayong square. Tapos, fold nyo ulit here sa other side para magkaroon tayo ng X fold sa gitna. Yan nyo When you fold that, align nyo muna yung tip Better if exact yung alignment ng folds nyo Tapos, fold nyo din ng half, di ba? Open. Meron na dapat X mark look Meron ng X fold. Next, let's fold it in half. Pag ganito naman, tingnan nyo Align, align, align. Use your index finger to help you align the tips. Pag align na yung tips, align, align, press, and then pull. Doon nyo, press, pull. And then pull pag-aroon. Diba? Now we have a rectangle. Tapos, gawin natin ganito. Align, align, align. Index finger here, half. Nyo press and then pull. Now we have a... What shape is this? Kalahati ng rectangle kanina. Yan. This is a square. Si Elazia left behind daw. Sige, let's review ha. Okay, dun sa mga hahabol pa lang. So, we're just marking the folds. Gumagawa lang tayo ng folds. So, it's easier for us to... It will be a guide and it will be easier for us to fold it later. So, square muna. Triangle. Fold. Triangle. Yan, yan. Meron na tayong X. Tapos, folded dito. Tapos, folded pa ganyan. Para meron ka ng square din. So, open. So, dapat ganito siya. Dapat may ganito kayo. Meron na ganito ha. 1, 2, may X. Tapos meron din cross. Okay, now we're gonna fold it. Okay. Fold natin na pag ganito naman. Gawa tayo ng parang door or parang pinto. Ayan, ganyan. 1. Tapos 2. Yeah, ipapantay nyo dito. Yan. Sanay. Paloob. Pantay nyo. Make sure they're aligned. Check nyo kung pantay. Check nyo kung pantay. Yan. Good. Press. Yan. Now you should have a parang door. Yan. Dito nyo i-align sa gitna ha. Sometimes your work might make mistakes in your first time. Then you can do it again later. Okay? Yan. Meron ng door. Ngayon, fold ulit natin paloob. Ito naman, pag ganun. Sakto nyo ha. Align it sa fold. Align it. Like this. Fold. Yan. Tapos isa pa. Dito. Dito nyo naman isasakto sa baba. Yan. Yan. So now you have a window, parang window dito naman. Ayan. Parang door din pero square. Yan. Pag in-open nyo, ganito siya. So, ganyan lang naman siya. Now, ang gagawin natin, we're gonna pull this. Nakita nyo to? Hilain nyo dito. Kaya? Pull nyo to. Tapos dito din, ina nyo to. Itong nasa ilalim, the one under. Look, pull. Pull. And then, di ba meron tayong fold na ng triangle earlier? Yan. Try nyo siyang i-align. Now, meron na tayong parang house. May roof. Then, kabila naman, we're gonna do it also on the other side. Ikot ko lang, ha. Ito. This one, di ba? Kabila naman, nito. Pull. 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 Meron ng fold. The reason we fold the diagonals earlier, kasi yun yung magiging guide natin. Ayan yung fold nyo. Mas madali siya. So, from here, di ba ganyan? Pull nyo lang to. Get this one, pull to the right, okay, and then press. Don't force the folds, okay? I-adjust nyo konti, i-push nyo dito ng konti sa loob para mag-fix yung fold. Okay, if it doesn't feel right, huwag nyo ipilit. Ibig sabihin may naipit, okay? Kailangan ayusin nyo muna. Adjust it first before you can press it. Sometimes it gets stuck like this, ayan, naipit. So, pull nyo lang para maganda yung fold. Yan. dito kasi medyo hindi pantay yung tupi ko. Then the other side, from here, pull. Yan. And there, now we have a... Well, it's not like a diamond. Pero, yan, we have this shape. Yeah. And now, from here, we will fold it up. Tingnan nyo ah. Pwede nyo na siyang itupi. Like that. Oh. Can you see it? Then you fold it up. We will recreate the fold. So, dapat, nagagawa nyo siyang ganyan. Diba? Tingnan nyo, hindi ko gagalawin ah. You should be able to do this without moving the paper. Yan. Ganyan. Tapos ganyan. From here, tingnan nyo ah. Tataas ko lang to. Up. Press, press, press. Down. Press, press, press. Down. Press, press, press. Up. Kaya naman. Okay, get your pencils and then we'll draw. So, the first part, ayan, ganito muna. Draw dito sa side na to, we'll draw the, kita ko lang ha. We'll draw the head dito. Circle. Outline muna ang gagawin natin. You don't need to draw the details. So, pencil first ha. Pencil first. Kasi we might erase it. Tapos, dito, look. Bubuksan nyo, and then look. Tingnan nyo, di ba? Ganyan. Pag inopen nyo siya, half na lang. Where did the other face go? What should we do? Dudugtungan nyo ngayon dito, nung isa pang face. Yan. Yan nga, meron na siyang circle dito. Meron din dito. And then, look, sa other side. Oh, dito din. So, now, you have a circle here. Diba? Ito muna yung circle. Pag inopen nyo, meron pang isa pang circle. Open nyo, meron din circle. Para pag inopen nyo siya, all the way, see? There's a circle here, circle here. That's the same size. Yan. So, yan na yun. Ha? Okay, next, we'll draw the neck. Okay, draw nyo lang yung neck. Leeg. Okay, tapos, basta half-half lang. When you draw, half-half muna. Dito, sino mo, oh, where did the neck go? Tuloy natin dito sa kabila. Tapos kabila. Neck din. Okay, ngayon meron ng neck on both sides. Pag inopen mo, buo din siya. Okay? Look, oh. Yan. Dapat ganyan, ha? Okay, look. Pantay. Okay, next, let's draw the arms. Draw tayo dito. Taas nyo muna. Pataas. Upward. Yan. Upward. Dito muna tayo sa triangle. Yung pointy na pataas. Okay? Hold it here. Tapos draw nyo muna yung arms. Yan. Yan na yung ating arms. Upward. Tapos draw tayo ng arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next. Isa-isa lang ha. We will pull this down. Yan o, dito. Pag ganun. Now, we will draw the arms, but this time, this way. Pag ganito naman. Ay, ito. Dapat ito ituloy mo na rin dito. Yan. Yan. So, para alam mo hanggang dito siya. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. First, the other arm. Diba? Nawala. What you're gonna do, you're just gonna draw. Dudugtungan nyo lang what's missing. See, you can erase it, adjust. That's why you use a pencil. Trial and error. Yan. Connect. Now, we have the arms up, arms to the side. Tapos dito naman, look, sa legs. Pwedeng shorts. Tapos, look, oh, if you move to the side. Tapos ito, dugtong nyo lang, draw a line here. See, you just connect the lines. Sa kabila naman. Dudugtong lang natin to. Look, dudugtong natin dito. Then here, tingnan nyo, alignment. Where's where's the line? Hanapin nyo lang kung nasaan yung linya. Ayan, lagyan nyo ng shorts. Ganyan. Shoes, pwede nyo gawing character like ballerina o kaya mga robot. Tapos pwede nyo nang lagyan ng yan. At dito lagyan ng face. See? Half-half lang. Dito may face na, but look, the face is missing on the other side. Yan. So we draw the face here. Oh, connect the mouth. Asan na yung karugtong ng mouth? Dapat pantay. Okay. And the next, oops. Open nyo lang. Connect and do the other half. Then you can add designs. Ay, we forgot. Don't forget the sleeves. Tingnan nyo, yung damit ha. Sleeves and shorts or pants. Or... There! Now you can outline it and color it. Okay. Again, double check nyo if the lines are aligned. Kailangan pantay yung line dito. Look, the line here. The shorts, is it aligned? Check with the pencil first. Okay, then open it. Check nyo kung pantay dito. Is it aligned? Aligned, pantay. Baka mamaya tabingi Ayan, dito rin. Is it aligned? Connected here. If you do this, is this aligned? Pantay ba? Are the lines connected? You have to check if the lines are connected. Yan, and then after this, pwede na ng outline. Okay, once everything is aligned, you can outline it with your marker and then color it. Yan, kailangan ng pantay ha, doktor. And then you do this, so half muna, half. And then half again. Don't forget the sleeves and the collar. Diba hanggang saan yung shirt? Kung wari ito. Oops, nakalimutan ko. Outline natin. See? And outline nyo lang. You can outline with the marker. If you don't have a marker, you can use a black crayon. Pwedeng itim na crayon ang gamitin pang outline. O kaya lapis na lang. Last na. Tingnan nyo, ito yung sinasabi kong align. Dapat pantay. Tingnan nyo kung pantay dito. Kaya dapat pencil muna. Check nyo muna with pencil. Kapag okay, saka nyo lang i-outline ng marker. Yan. Tapos, you can color it. You can also color the background. Yan. And then, to make it nicer, diba ito? Yan. Kakapalan ko pa yung outline. Pwede nyo pang kapalan yung outline para mas maganda. Yan o. See, open it and then align it. Double check if everything is aligned yet. And also, kaya ako ginaganito kasi minsan may lines na hindi pantay. So, making it thicker can cover up my mistakes. Tapos, kokoloran nyo na lang. You can color it with crayons or markers. Maybe not paint kasi it will make your paper soft unless you're using watercolor paper, which is difficult to fold. Yay! And then you color it. So if you color it, it will look like this. Tada! 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 Kumari, patintero. And then jump! And then raise hand. Me! So, alright, thank you so much for joining us today. So, I hope you enjoyed the activity. Thank you, everyone. Bye!
Know your art, be art smart.